Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to call in sick USPS. Ever one of those mornings where your alarm goes off and your body immediately responds with absolutely not? If you're a USPS employee and need to report a sick day, there are two official ways to do it. And I check both so you don't end up wondering whether a text message to your supervisor counts. It doesn't. The first option is the employee call off system. When you call, choose the menu option for an unscheduled absence, enter your EIN, and follow the prompts to report the dates you'll be out. At the end, you receive a confirmation number, and that's something you want to save because it's essentially your proof that the request was submitted. The second method is through the LiteBlue portal. After signing in, open the eLRA leave request tool, choose a sick leave option, enter your expected dates, provide a brief explanation, and submit it. The system automatically sends the information to management, so there's no extra step afterward. Just make sure you report the absence before your scheduled shift begins, since using the official system is what USPS expects employees to do. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.